Good morning and welcome back, dears. In our previous class, we have started a new lesson, the ashes that made trees bloom. And I have explained about the story. I have explained about the title. Okay, we have idea about the title, why they keep the title the ashes that made trees bloom, because the ashes of that dog, okay, after sprinkling of dry trees, the trees began to bloom, because the dog was very noble. He was the noble, honest, loyal dog of old good couple. Okay, so we have seen about the title, then I have explained you about the dog Muko. Muko was very caring, loving dog. Okay, and we have seen about two types of couples. There were two types of old couple. The one is good old couple and the other one is a wicked old couple. Okay, good old couple always love towards animal. Okay, they take care about the animals, they always eager to help animals. Okay, and a wicked old couple always to push the animals, always try to force the animals, and they never like loving animals. They hate. Okay, they hate animals. Wicked old couple. Wicked old couple always trying to get money, always trying to cheat people. Okay, so we have discussed about 2 points. Again I am summarizing the story. So the story is about Muko. Muko was very good dog. Okay, so after death of Muko's ashes, okay, the ashes of Muko, while spreading on dry trees, the trees became bloom. The trees began to bloom. Okay, because he was the noble dog of good old couple. Okay, so the story recounts that it is the story of Japan. Okay, there was an old good couple. Okay, there was an old good couple lived in Japan in 19th century. They had no children. Okay, they had no children, so they kept the dog as their child. Okay, they had a pet dog named Muko, so they kept the pet Muko as their own child. They loved and treat the Muko same like their child. Okay, same like their own real child. Okay, so then the former, he was the former old couple was farmer. Okay, and he was a rice farmer, so he works in the field from morning to evening. Okay, from dusk to dawn. So he worked in the field accompanied with Muko. Muko also joined old couple in the field. Okay, and the old couple working in the field with the tool spade and hoe. I explained in previous lecture. Okay, so an old good couple always trying to good towards animal. Okay, and old couple always eager to help needy animals. Okay, so that's why they were the good old couple. In same village, the wicked old couple also lived. Okay, so we'll discuss about the old wicked couple later. So I have already explained point number 1 about Muko and its honor. Okay, old good couple. Then we'll see the pile of gold. Okay, we have discussed on that, but again I am summarizing, explaining. So one day Muko took old good couple somewhere. Okay, one day Muko took and fetch old good couple to a prominent place, and Muko started scratching the land. Then doubtfully good old couple also starts digging the land. So old good couple get pile of gold there. Old good couple finds pile of gold there, a pot of gold. So now old good couple become happy and rich. Okay, they bought a piece of land. Okay, but they distributed the land to their neighbors. Okay, then they started helping the poor, because now they became rich. They have a pile of gold. Okay, that was given by Muko. Okay, that was scratched by Muko. So now they became rich and happy, and they are distributing their properties and gold to needy ones, because old couple was always eager to help needy ones, okay, and the poor. So, and one day they organized a delicious feast for their neighbors who were poor, okay, same like them. So in that village there was a wicked old couple also. So when the wicked old couple heard about good old couple's fortune, okay, as they become rich, so he also desired, wicked old couple also have desired to be rich. Okay, so wicked old couple forcefully draw Muko at their field, at their farm, and they gave Muko some food. They offer Muko some food, but Muko was fearful. Muko was afraid. Okay, Muko was afraid. So Muko didn't eat anything, but they forcefully beat Muko. Okay, they forcefully dragged Muko. So then Muko start scratching behind the pine tree. Okay, so wicked old couple became happy. Okay, they are happy because Muko was scratching behind the pine tree. So they also doubtfully started digging the ground behind the pine tree, but they didn't get anything. Okay, they found from there a dead kitten with a foul smell. The kitten was dead and it was smelling foul. Okay, so they became angry and they beat Muko. They started beating Muko and they killed Muko. Then they worried Muko behind that pine tree. Okay, they worried means dafnana. They worried Muko behind the pine tree. Okay, so now I am discussing about point number 3 and 4, the mortar and the mill. Do you understand by mortar? Mortar means the particular thing in which we paste something. Okay, we crush something. The particular thing. Okay, the particular thing in which we crush something. Okay, for making sauce or chutney. And the mill. Okay, mill means the particular hammer. Okay, we use the hammer. And mortar means mortar and mill. Mortar and mill is the thing that we use for crushing something, for making paste, for making chutney or sauce. Okay, so in Hindi mortar and mill means okhli. Okay, okhli. Or if I explain in Hindi, khalbatta. You understand khalbatta? Okay, in our house there is khal. Khal means mill. Khalbatta we use for making chutney or paste. So mortar and mill means khalbatta. Okay, so when as wicked old couple worried, they killed Muko. Wicked old couple killed Muko and worried him behind the pine tree. Okay, from where they find a dead kitten with foul smell. So they worried Muko there. So when old good couple came to know about this incident, so he joined the field. He arrived the place where wicked old couple worried Muko. Okay, and he starts crying. He was in pain. He was missing Muko, and Muko was like his child. Okay, because old good couple always loved Muko. They treat Muko like their own child. So he was in pain. He was suffering pain. Okay, he was realizing grief. Okay, and he was unsaid. He was sad. He was unhappy. Okay, so then he returned back to his home. Okay, and before return back to home, okay, so when he was arrived on that place where wicked old couple worried Muko, so he sits there, okay, and he starts crying, okay. So then before leaving the house, before returning house, he does one thing. He set up some bamboo. And he kept the food and water there. Where he kept the water and food? So firstly he set up some bamboo, okay, nearby the worrying place, okay, where wicked old couple, after killing Muko, worried behind the pine tree. So old good couple set up some bamboo there. Old good couple kept some food there. Old good couple kept some water there, okay, and then he returned back to home, okay. So that night Muko's soul appeared in his dream, okay. As he was sad, as old good couple was unhappy, he was in great pain, okay, because their beloved one, pet dog Muko, was no more, okay, as their beloved one dog was dead, okay, was dead by wicked old couple. So he was in great pain. He was thinking for the Muko. He was missing Muko. They have missed Muko, okay. So in that night, and before coming to house, he kept some food. He set up bamboo, okay. He set up their bamboo tree, okay. He kept some food. He kept water, okay. From where they worried Muko, okay. So at that night he saw a dream. In his dream, in old couple's dream, Muko appeared, okay, and Muko told to him that you just go to same place where I was worried, so you will get some ashes there, okay. So go and get some ashes, and you should sprinkle the ashes on dry trees, okay. So then old good couple next day have arrived on the place, okay. Next day old good couple arrived there, okay, where Muko was worried, okay. Then old good couple started digging the ground. Then old good couple get some ashes, some remains of Muko, okay. So as Muko said in dream, okay, Muko appeared in the dream of good old couple. So as Muko said, he does, old couple does, okay. So then old couple take some ashes from worrying place, okay, and then he sprinkle the ashes, okay. And before sprinkling the ashes, the old couple, means Muko appeared in old couple's dream, and Muko said old couple, you should use, okay, you should use that tree, means if I again explain you. So wicked behavior old couple killed Muko, okay, and worried Muko behind the pine tree, okay. So when old good couple came to know, old good couple joined there and kept some food, water and bamboo tree, okay. So then at that night Muko appeared in old couple's dream, and Muko said, you just go, okay, you just go on that place where I am worried. You cut down the tree, okay, you cut down the pine tree, you cut that bamboo, you cut the bamboo and tree, okay, you cut bamboo tree. So then you make from the bamboo tree mortar and mill, okay. He said to old couple in dream, you cut the bamboo tree, okay, and you make by cutting of bamboo tree mortar and mill, you make it, okay, by the cut by cutting of the tree. Okay, so then you prepare some sweets and sauce. Okay, then you prepare sweet and sauce. Okay, so he starts doing, as Muko said. Next day he went to the field, he worried the dig. Okay, then he cut from there the bamboo tree. Okay, and he just bring the remain of bamboo tree, and he started making mortar and mill. Okay, he made mortar and mill by cutting bamboo tree. Okay, so then he starts making sweet and chutney. He starts making sweet. Okay, the sweet forms by rice. Okay, so he starts making sweets prepared by rice, then he starts making sauce or chutney. Okay, so as he prepared sweet and meal, it started raining of gold coins. Yes, it started raining of gold coins while he was preparing sauce and sweets. Okay, by using rice, by using mortar and meal that has been made by bamboo plant, as Muko said in the dream, to cut bamboo plant and make mortar and mill. Okay, so it started raining of gold coins. Okay, so the wicked couple also peeping by the window. When the wicked couple came to know about the raindrops of gold coin, wicked old couple peeped from the window what was going on. So then they bring all the remain of bamboo plant, they bring mortar and the mill prepared by bamboo plant. Okay, and they also started making same sweet and sauce. Okay, wicked couple also steal from good old couple's mill and mortar. Okay, and started preparing sweets, as they thought that as the raindrop of gold coin fell down in the courtyard in old couple's house, so if we do same thing, we also have raindrops of gold coin. Okay, so they also started making sweet and sauce. Okay, but what happened? There were no any raindrop of gold coin. There were the fall worms. Okay, there were appear fall worms. Fall worms. Worms means kide. Okay, illiyan, kide. So there were fall smelling worms appeared or emerged. Okay, because he was just repeating same as old couple doing. Okay, so old couple was humble, old couple was always eager to help full towards animal, but wicked old couple always trying to earn money. So as he was following the old good couple, but the influence or the consequences or the result were totally opposed to good old couple. So while he starts making sauce and chutney and sweet, the fall worms appeared there. Okay, so now again he became disappointed. So it was about the third point. Okay, now we are just checking for the fourth point, the withered cherry tree. Okay, so next day, so what they did, what wicked couple did. Okay, wicked couple didn't get any raindrop of gold coin. Okay, they get fall worms. So again they became angry, and they use the mill and the mortar as firewood. Okay, they burn the mill and the mortar made by bamboo plant. Okay, they burn in their stove. Okay, they use the mill and mortar as firewood in their stove. Okay, so next day again there was a dream. Okay, next day again Muko appeared in the dream of good couple. Okay, Muko again appeared in dream of good couple. Okay, and now Muko said one thing. Okay, Now Muko said one thing, that you should go and bring the ashes from the stove of wicked couple. Okay. As wicked couple used mill and mortar for firewood. Okay. They burn mill and mortar in their stove. So next day again good old couple dream. Okay. In his dream Muko appeared and Muko told to get the ashes and sprinkle the ashes on drying tree. Okay. On dry trees. So next day good old couple again went to take some ashes from the stove. Okay. And he brought some ashes and he just sprinkled the ashes on dry trees. So now the trees began to bloom. That is the topic, that is the heading of our lesson, that is the name of our lesson, the ashes that made trees bloom. Okay. So when old good couple follow the order of Muko and he took the ashes, he sprinkled the ashes on dry trees, the trees began to bloom. That's why they kept the name the ashes that made trees bloom. Okay. And it was the time of passing landlord. Okay. From the way, from the village. Okay. So there was a landlord and everyone respect the landlord. When landlord pass, everyone just keep their knee down and sit. They're sitting by keeping their knee down before the landlord, by showing their respect to landlord. So one day landlord was passing from there, so everyone just keeping their knee down and showing their respect towards the landlord. But the old good couple sits on the tree. The old good couple sits on the tree and he was seeing the landlord from the tree. Okay. So the landlord also didn't care for him. Okay. And the landlord also ignored him by saying that as he was an old man, so he sits on the tree. So he didn't care for his respect because good old couple was very old, so he didn't took any notice for his respect. And everyone was keeping their knee down and sitting for showing the respect towards landlord. Okay. So when the landlord was passing, so the old good couple who was sitting on the tree, he has a sack. Okay. He has a sack and in that sack he has some ashes. He has some ashes that he has brought from the stove of big behavior old couple. Okay. So the ashes was the remain of the mortar and the mill that has been advised by Muko in dream. Okay. So he just sprinkled some ashes. So as he sprinkled some ashes on that tree, the tree was dry one. So the tree began to bloom. The tree made bloom. Okay. And as the tree began to bloom, the landlord became happy because he thought that the old man did for him. The old man is showing his respect for the landlord because as he sprinkled the ashes, the pine tree began to bloom and its flowers began to shading down. Okay. So landlord thought that it is the way for showing respect towards me of old good couple. Okay, he was very happy. He called a good couple and he gave good couple lots of wealth. He gave good couple money. He gave good couple respect. Okay. So again good couple get money, respect and honor. But what about the bad big behavior old couple? So big behavior old couple always trying to follow a good old couple, but their way was not good. Okay, their character was not good. They were not loving towards animal. They killed Muko. Okay, they have been killed Muko. They have been worried Muko. So they are following the wicked behavior old couple following the good one old couple, but the result was totally against to him. Okay, because they are greedy one. Okay, they are greedy one, they are not humble. Okay, they are wicked behavior. So this time again the wicked behavior couple got same ashes. Okay, and he would like to repeat same thing. So as wicked behavior old couple sprinkle the ashes on the tree, same like old couple does, same like good old couple does, but the tree was not bloom. The tree does not begin to bloom, and misfortunate, the ashes of the tree began to blow and start creating problem with landlord. Okay, so now the landlord became angry because wicked behavior old couple was doing same as good old couple does. He also starts sprinkling ashes, but that ashes doesn't made the tree bloom, and the ashes created problem for landlord. Okay, because the ashes covered the body of landlord, so he was in suffering, he was puzzled. So then he called wicked behavior old couple and he gave them punishment. He hardly punished wicked behavior old couple after that. Okay, and he punished wicked behavior old couple till death. Yes, till death. So it was about the story. We have seen that if you are doing good to others, you will get good from others. If you are respecting, you are helping, if you are doing good to others, so the God will also give you good result and consequences. Okay, so it was about the story, and we have seen good couple does good to others. So that's why good old couple gets good result. Okay, and wicked behavior old couple always does wrong or wicked to others. So in the end of the story, wicked behavior couple get heavy punishment, get hardly punished till death. Okay, so it was about the story. I hope you enjoy the story. We'll see in next lecture. Thank you.